we've received some incredibly exciting news that deserves our attention. The Philippine Air Force, PAF, is slated to receive 15 Polish-made Black Hawk helicopters in 2024, with an additional 15 scheduled for delivery in 2025. This acquisition marks a significant enhancement to the PAF's rotary wing fleet, bolstering the nation's air mobility and disaster response capabilities. On June 16, 2024, a monumental event marked a significant milestone in the modernization of our nation's military capabilities. The Polish subsidiary of Lockheed Martin, PZL Mielec, successfully delivered the first batch of 5 brand-new Sikorsky S-70I Black Hawk combat utility helicopters to the Philippine Air Force, PAF. These state-of-the-art helicopters arrived at Clark Air Base, flown directly from Poland aboard the colossal Antonov and 124-100 Ruslan, one of the world's largest civilian heavy transport aircraft. This delivery is more than just a transfer of equipment. It's a bold statement of our commitment to enhancing our defense capabilities. To fully appreciate this achievement, let's take a step back and recall the journey that brought us here. In 2021, the Department of National Defense, DND, of the Philippines made a strategic decision to strengthen our military by ordering 32 S-70I Black Hawk helicopters, specifically in the combat utility variant. This contract, valued at 31.7 billion pesos, or approximately $577 million, was not just an expenditure. It was an investment in the security and future of our nation. With the arrival of the first 5 helicopters, we are witnessing the initial fruits of this investment, and it's a solid step forward in bolstering our Air Force's operational capabilities. What makes this acquisition so significant is the fact that by the time all 32 helicopters are delivered, the Philippine Air Force will hold the distinction of being the largest operator of Polish-built S-70I Black Hawk helicopters in the world. This achievement is not just a point of pride. It's a testament to our commitment to modernizing our military forces with reliable, versatile, and battle-tested equipment. Imagine that, bros, our Air Force, equipped with the latest in rotary wing technology, ready to meet any challenge head-on. As we continue to modernize and expand our military capabilities, these new Black Hawks symbolize more than just a technological upgrade. They represent a leap forward in our nation's ability to defend itself and respond to any crisis. The Air Force, alongside the entire AFP, is becoming stronger, more capable, and better equipped to meet the challenges of the 21st century. This delivery is a clear signal to the world that the Philippines is serious about its defense. It also serves as a reminder to every Filipino that our government is committed to safeguarding our nation's sovereignty and ensuring that our armed forces are prepared for whatever lies ahead. The arrival of these helicopters is also a powerful reminder of the importance of continuous investment in our nation's defense. It serves as a clear signal to the world that the Philippines is serious about its defense, and it is ready to take the necessary steps to protect its sovereignty and ensure the safety of its people. This commitment to national security is not just about acquiring the latest technology. It is about building a defense force that is capable, credible, and ready to face the challenges of today and tomorrow. As the PAF prepares to integrate these new helicopters into its operations, we can all take pride in the knowledge that our nation is moving in the right direction. The Black Hawks are more than just helicopters. They are symbols of our nation's progress and resilience. They represent the determination of the Filipino people to defend our homeland, protect our sovereignty, and secure a brighter future for generations to come. So, bros, let's celebrate this achievement as a step forward in our nation's journey towards a stronger, more capable military. The Philippine Air Force, equipped with these cutting-edge Black Hawks, is poised to play a crucial role in ensuring the security and stability of our nation in the years ahead. Let's continue to support our armed forces as they work tirelessly to safeguard the freedom and prosperity of the Philippines.